It's Tuesday, June 25th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it has now pushed lower. I bought some puts up here near the highs of the day on the 5-minute chart that I was hoping the 15-minute chart would red, and it turned red and followed through lower. Took out this liquidity right here, heading to the lows of the day. So we'll see if this is the turnaround I was looking for that can take the lows of the day out, get to the pre-market lows, and eventually, on the daily bar, keep this red bar from yesterday heading lower. And on the weekly chart, we'll find out if that shooter bar could end up with a 2-down week before it's all said and done, heading into this gap, as long as we stay below the open and head red. So I was anticipating, lower prices. Had to take a small loss on this first trade here on bar 2. When it came up on bar 3 through the midpoint of that bar, I've been looking for a re-entry, got in here, now it's heading lower. So I just scaled out and set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 548 puts at 451, just scaled out at 515 as it's kind of working in this area, asking 522 right now. This looks like it should take out the lows of the day. We'll see what happens from there, and then we'll see the pre-market lows as the next target. And like I said, on the weekly chart, if we can get that 2-down week going, if we can get down there, then we have this gap to fill in some other areas. So I've been biased to the downside, even yesterday's price action. You can see here, this was just taking out a little liquidity to the upside, and now we're heading lower. So hopefully we'll continue, through this low here, and, we'll see how the day closes up. But good secondary trade on the SPY, and starting to move lower towards the lows of the day. I can see the options now kind of moving up to the 530 area. So anyway, we'll see what happens here. And now you can kind of treat today as 2 opportunities to go short, and overall it'll end up some kind of a gain, whether it's a small gain or hopefully a larger gain if we continue a lot lower.